Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Design Curious. Today we are going to discuss an amazing app in Canva, Transform Image. You can use this app in Canva in any design to create depth in your designs, as well as you can add any kind of perspective in your designs, which is simply amazing. You can simply go into the app section, and then from there you need to select Transform Image app, and then you can select any of your design. uh, you can upload your file into this app. The amazing part of this app is that it is free to use. You don't need to buy any credits to use this app in Canva. So after uploading your image into this app, you can zoom in, zoom out. You can move your image with the help of your cursor. Simply hover your cursor on the image and then move it right, left, up, and down wherever you need your image, just to add the depth in your design. So you can see it is amazing. Yet, yes, you can adjust the placement of your image. Before that, you are not able to uh, move around your image this way in Canva. You can simply place your image in one direction. You can add the borders of your image. You can use the frames and then add your images into those frames. But now, with the help of this app, you can move around your images on your canvas sheet. So the same way, after placing your first image, you can use the second image. You can see I have used the houses, different houses. Like I am going to create the real estate social media post with the help of this transform image app. I have placed one image at right side and the other one at left side, but in diagonal direction, so that I can add little bit more depth into my design. And the third image I have placed in the center of the image, so that it will give a different perception to my audience. So I will adjust the image in the center, and after placing it, you can group all the images and move them around on your canvas sheet. You can increase or decrease the size. You can even add the shadows on any of your image, or you can do any effect, apply any effect, or you can adjust uh, the borders or colors of your background. Anything you can apply on your design after uh, using the transform image app. So you can see you can increase and decrease the size and then place the images wherever you want. So this is very simple to do. After doing this, you can add text on your post from the Canva text effects. You can simply write your text and then apply the different available effects on your written text. You can use the available option to make your design more appealing and relevant to your social media post. Now I'm going to tell you another amazing use of this app. Like you can use any object. I have selected the wooden box in diagonal direction, and then I have uploaded the PNG file of my text Canva. Now I want to place this text on the outer side of the box. So before that, I was having difficulties to use these kind of effects on my object. But now with the help of this app, I can simply upload the image and then move it in a different direction until it will exactly place on the outer side of my object. Like you can see in this image, I have placed exactly on the outer wall of this wooden box in the diagonal direction, and then after placing it on the box outer side, I will apply some effects. I will increase or decrease the tint, temperature, brightness, sharpness, so that it will exactly match with the outer body of the my object. You can play with the highlights, whites. It all depends on your design and your text. You can use any PNG file, any image. This is just an example. You can use these kind of effects on different design. This is up to you. Do let me know in comments how have you used this image for this app for your designs. So you can see how good it look like. So these are the couple of uses I have shown you in my today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with another amazing